You know that feeling, drowning in goals but not actually getting anywhere?
Yeah, that was me.
I felt busy, sure, but what was I actually achieving? Time was just slipping through my fingers.
I knew there had to be a better way, something that worked with me, not against me. I tried every tasker out there. You know the drill, but nothing really felt fun. So I thought, you know what? I'll just build my own, a simple skill for my favorite AI, Claude. The big idea was it had to work for anything, from coding to fitness to reading, total flexibility.
And then the breakthrough. What if every single goal could share the same basic file structure?
This type adaptive design became the core of it. Same frame, but a completely different picture inside.
So a fitness challenge asks about your workout, but a learning one asks about insights. It's so much better.
Okay, so setting up a new challenge is super simple. It really just walks you through it.
Let's take a look. Here's a learning goal I set up. Read 12 books this year.
Each week, it hits me with relevant questions that keep the check-in focused and actually useful.
Now, let's switch to a fitness goal. You'll see how the questions totally adapt. See, for fitness, it's all about the physical experience. It tracks progress in a whole different way. And this is really cool. The AI can actually find connections between my goals. It spotted compound learning. So, the big question, did this new approach actually work? Let's look at the progress.
In just 2 weeks, I shipped over 10 new micro apps and projects. That was a huge jump for me.
Plus, I finally learned more than 5 new tech concepts that were on my someday list for ages.
What I learned is that small, flexible steps were way more effective than some rigid, perfect plan.
This whole thing showed me that the right system isn't about control, it's about finding your flow.
So, it makes you think, what's that one someday goal you could take a small step on today?